Today I will show you how to delete a phone contact from your Android phone. Let's go to the phone app. In the phone app, search for the contact you want to delete. And you found this contact. Once you're on the contact page, make sure that this is the contact you want to delete. You can block the numbers from the contact. This is also an option, or you can delete it. To delete the contact, you press on the three-dotted menu here and then delete. And you get the notification that will be removed from all your devices synchronized with this account. It will delete from your Google account. So press delete. And the contact is gone. That's how you delete the contact. Thanks for watching.